are pleased to show you the 2019 Nissan Titan XD. The powerful Nissan Titan XD provides a heavy-duty capable vehicle with a very pleasant driving experience. Innovation within the Titan XD stands out and rounds out this fantastic truck. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, tow hitch, anti-lock braking system, stability control, traction control, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, four-wheel drive, four-wheel disc brakes, keyless start, cruise control, rear defrost, AM/FM stereo radio, power door locks, MP3 player, power windows. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.